Hello, I am Mohammad Rashid Ansari from Elma Better Cohort Oracle. In this video, I am going to demonstrate the capstone project which is given by Elma Better. And the name of the capstone project is Entertainment App. So we are going to see our entertainment app. This is our entertainment app. So now we are going to discuss the technology what we have used in making this web app. So the technologies are HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Tailwind CSS, React.js as a front-end JavaScript library, and for the backend we have used Node.js, Express.js, and for the database we have used MongoDB. Okay, so now and one thing what we have used is TMDB. From TMDB we collect the details of the all the movies and the TV series, and we populate those movies and TV series into our database, MongoDB database. So we are going to see our database. So here in the collections we have all the movies and the TV series. Okay, and this is the schema. Basically we know that MongoDB is the schema list. So with the help of Mongoose we make the schema. So in this way our movies and the TV series are going to be stored in our MongoDB. Okay, so now this is our home page of our web app, entertainment app. Now you can access everything here, but one thing for bookmarks any item, so you need to sign up, so you need to log in. Okay, so for that we are going to sign up with a new user, and then we are going to explore this project overall, right? So first we are going to sign up. So when you click on this user profile, so you will get two options, means like two links, login and the sign up. So first we are going to sign up because we are a new user. Okay, so we have click on sign up. So the sign up page will be open. So now we are going to fill the details. Okay, so here we have filled all the details, email and the password and the repeat password. So when you click on this create an account button, it will if the details are correct, means you satisfy the validation, then it will when you click on this create an account, it will navigate you to the login page. So we are going to click this. So you can see here it will navigate to the login page. That means it is successfully signed up. Okay, so now we are going to fill the details here. So here you can see I have filled the details. If the details is not correct, then it will give you the alert. Okay, if details are correct, then when you click on this login to your account button, so it will directly navigate you to the home page of our entertainment app, right? So we are going to click this. So here you can see we are successfully logged in. Okay, so this is our home page, and this is our movies page, this is our TV series page. Okay, and this is our bookmark page. So there is no bookmark item. So when you click on bookmark, then it will show in this page. Okay, so first we are going to discuss the login and the sign up functionality. Okay, sign up functionality. Then we are going to explore all the components. Okay, then we are going to discuss the component part. So first we are going to see how the sign up and the login are working. So one thing I want to mention, that after login, when you again click on this user profile, see it's showing logout option. So this logout functionality we are going to discuss at the end of this project. Okay, so now we are going to discuss the sign up and the login functionality. So now we are going to see first backend part, then we are going to see our front end part. So now when we see inside the model, okay, users, so basically this is the schema, the way it's going to store in our database. Okay, now after models we are going to see routes. Okay, now we are going to see the routes of create user. So this is basically the routes. Okay, here you can see the Express validator, a set of Express.js middlewares for data validation. JWT is a JSON web token library for creating and verifying tokens, and the bcrypt a library for hashing password using bcrypt. Okay, now this is the post method. Here you can see that it's validates the incoming request body using the specified validation rules If the validation fails, it returns. No, basically here if we see, it's that it checks the email is a valid email or not, and the password, and for the repeat password same, there is a validation are at least means 5 characters long. Okay, now here it's validate the incoming request body using the specified validation rule. If validation fails, it returns a 400 response here, a 400 response with the validation errors. Okay, in the next line if we see here, it generates a salt using bcrypt, and in the next line hashes the user password using bcrypt, and in here it attempts to create a new user in the database with the hashed password and return a JSON response indicating success or failure. And in the same is done in the this login part. Method post method, this is email and this password, and here what is there, that it compares the hash password and the email what you are giving. Okay, it will compare. It compares the hash password from the database with the provided password using bcrypt, and after that, if credentials are correct, it generates a JWT token, JSON web token, and returns in the response. If the credentials are incorrect, it returns a 400 response. So this is the route of our user part. Okay, so now we are going to see the front end part, means sign up page and the login page. So here this is the sign up page. So here you can see one thing, we replace this line, means the localhost 5000, with this line. That means, see, basically what happens here, we deploy the backend part first, and after deploying you get the link. Okay, so we get the link here, and we send that link, means we send that link to the front end part. Okay, we give that link to the front end part. So the front end, in the front end we replace HTTP localhost 5000 with this link. Okay, so when we are working in a team, so the backend part is completed, we deploy and we get the link, and that link we give to our front end team. Okay, so instead of this HTTP localhost 5000, we use this link. Okay, so this you can see here, when you click on create an account, so this basically a form. Okay, so when you click on that button, it will perform this handle submit. Okay, so here you can see e.prevent default. E.prevent default means it will remove the default behavior. Okay, so that means when user click on that button, then only that button going to work or submit the form. Otherwise, it will not perform by their own. Okay, so for that we are used here e.prevent default to remove the default behavior. Okay, so now here you can see that if JSON success, so it will save the auth token to the local storage and redirect to the, means navigate to the login page. And if the credentials are wrong, means you are not satisfied the validation, then it will give the alert, enter valid credentials. So now we are going to see our login page. So now this is our login page, and the code is almost same as the sign up, but the thing is, when if JSON success, after when you click and if the JSON success, then the local storage set item will be, means then user email, and the local storage set item auth token same as it is, and this dispatch get bookmark is the part of bookmark we are going to see at later, and after that it will navigate you to the home page of our entertainment app. And if you are giving the wrong details, then it will enter alert, giving you alert, enter valid credentials. Okay, so now what we are going to see, in our database that how a hash password, okay, we are using the bcrypt, so how the hash password look like. Okay, so it will make more secure for a user. Okay, so now we are going to see our database. So So this is how our hash password looks like. See, the email berlin23@gmail.com and the password. So it will make more secure for the users. So now we are going to see how these components are working in this trending, recommended for you, and the movies and the TV series and the bookmark. Okay, so now we are going to discuss all these things. So first of all, we are going to see the backend part of our means the routes for trending, recommended, and movies and TV series. So this is basically the routes for trending. See, in this what we have used the collection.find is trending is true, means from the collections in the database what we are just finding what it's either a TV series or movies, but if it has in details it has is trending is true, means that movies or a TV series is trending true, that will fetch in the trending item, trending component, right? Then we are going to see recommended. In recommended, what we are doing, we are just fetching recommended collection.find is trending is false. Okay, means which is not trending, but is either be a movie or a TV series. So whatever is trending is false, then that item going to be fetched by in the recommended for you. And we have used here limits. Just only I want 8 items, so you can see here in the recommended for you I have only 8 items, so it's up to you. You can increase also this limit or you can decrease. Okay, it's up to the you. Now we are going to see the movies route. Okay, so here you can see here what we are doing, we are just finding from the collection.find category movies. So in the in collection there is movies and TV series both, but we in the movies page what we have to just show only movies what we have to show. Okay, so we are just writing here category movies, so it will going to fetch all the it will going to get means all the movies. Okay, and here what we have used router.get id. Basically here we are going to get means like we want id for movie detail page. Okay, we are going to see movies detail page. For that we need the id of that movie, so that we can get the details of that particular id to show on the movies detail page, right? And same code for the TV series also. See, here we use collection.find category TV series and here the id. Okay, so this is all the route part for the trending, recommended, and movies and TV series. Now we are going to see our front end part. So in the front end part, every means trending, recommended for you, movies and the TV series, all the components are almost working the same, but we are going to see how this movies page is in. So we are going to see the movies component movies.js, and we are going to understand about all the components. Okay, so we are going to focus on movies. We are going to discuss in detail, and we are going to understand all the components, how they are working. So we are going to see the code. So in component, this is our movies.js page. Okay, now we can see here what we are fetching. We are fetching the movies here. Okay, this backend link API movies means HTTP localhost API movies. We have discussed earlier on also. Now here we have movies, and what we have done, we simply done the map method to show in the form of cards. See here, right? All the movies here. Now one thing what you have done, when you are going to click on the bookmark, see in the front end when you see here you have bookmark option. Okay, you have bookmark option. So when you click on this item, okay, when you click this, like I have clicked, so it has bookmark. Okay, so how this all are performing, we are going to see in the code. See this button, when you click on that bookmark button, okay, so event and the movie, what happens, it will dispatch 2 items. Okay, it will dispatch 2. means add bookmark and add to bookmarks. Okay, these two. So what is this add bookmark and add to bookmarks? See, basically what you are sending here, you are sending the props, movie and the movie only in the form of item, right? So now we are going to see what is add bookmark and add to bookmarks. So basically in bookmark slice, we are going to see our bookmark slice. Here what you can see, when you click movie, when you click the bookmark page, that movie will send here add bookmark. Okay, that movie, it will collect as a prop and it will push into this array, this bookmark array. Okay, and that add bookmark will be performed from every component like TV series, trending, recommended. When you click on the bookmark, it will going to push in this array, right? And when again you are unbookmark, means when you remove from the bookmark, then this will perform remove bookmark. So basically what happens, when you in the movies page, here in the movies page, when you again click the bookmark, means like this, when you again click this, it will unbookmark. Okay, now what you can see here, so it will perform with this dispatch remove bookmark and dispatch from from bookmark. Okay, so again you are sending the same item from every component, same code will be performed. Okay, so now we are going to see in bookmark slice, and here you can see remove bookmark. Okay, so it will get the prop like state, and it will compare that item from the array and splice. We know the splice method, it will check that index and the 1, means it will remove that item. Okay, and that array going to be updated. So like this, it's all working. And one thing is we see here in the movie stage, this add to bookmark. Okay, add to bookmark. So this is basically going to update your database. Okay, so here you can see add to bookmarks. This will perform. Basically you are sending the item as a props, means it will collect item as a props, and from it will collect user email from the local storage, and it will give to this, and this will going to send in our backend. Means first we are going to see our backend for the bookmark items. So here you can see this bookmark routes. Here we have post method, delete method, and get method. Post method is for, means like you are adding, okay, in that array. So basically first we are going to see add, and for delete it will remove, and forget it won't, means email. And in models we are going to see the bookmark, means when a user bookmark, it how the details are going to be saved in your database. So it will take the email and the bookmarks, means that it will like an array in which you are storing all the bookmark items. Okay, so like this it will going to store in your database. Now we are going to discuss the bookmark routes. We have discussed this. We are going to discuss controllers. Okay, so here controllers. So here we have get bookmarks, add to bookmarks, and remove from bookmarks. Okay, so we are going to discuss each one by one. So first we are going to discuss add bookmark. So here what happening? See, it expects a request body with email and data. Okay, it retrieves the user bookmark based on the provided email, checks if the provided data bookmark is already in the user bookmarks list. If not, it adds the new bookmark to the user bookmarks array and updates the database. Okay, when you going to when you going to click on the bookmark button, it will add that item into the bookmarks array, and it will update the array when you are adding and when you are removing the bookmark. Okay, now if the bookmark is already present, it returns a JSON response indicating that the item is already in the bookmark list. If the user is not found, means it will going to check. If user is not found, it creates a new bookmark entry for the user with the provided data. So this is for when the new user came and it has no bookmark item. So it will check and it will create a new bookmark entry for that user. If the user user is already there, that means it has the bookmarked item. So for that they are simply updating when you are adding and when you are removing. So after that it will log the current and updated states of the bookmark for debugging, returns a JSON response indicating success along with the updated bookmark. And same performing for the remove bookmarks. Simply you are giving the email and the data you are providing, and you will simply going to check whether this data is there in the bookmark array, and it simply use the splice method to remove. Okay, so it verifies the bookmark array is defined, not empty, and is an array, and find the index of the bookmark in the bookmark array based on the provided data ID. Right? If the bookmark is found, it removes it from the array, updates the database, and returns a JSON response indicating success. If bookmark is not found, it returns a 404 status and a JSON response indicating that the item was not found in the bookmark. If there is an issue during the process, it returns a 500 status and a JSON response indicating an error. So like this performance, and this get bookmarks we are going to discuss later. Okay. So now we are going to see our front end part. So how this means we have know that how this add to bookmarks and remove from bookmark is working. So we are going to see in our database as well. So see here, when I have clicked the database, like I have how many items I have bookmarked, 1 2 3 4. It will show in your database as well, and this bookmark page also. See, in the bookmark page 4 items, and we are going to see our database. So here you can see that there is bookmarks, and in that this email Berlin 23, and how many items? 4 items what we have bookmarked. And if we again unbookmark one item, so it will again going to update this array. So we are going to see that also. So here you can see if we remove from one bookmark, so we have 3 items, and these 3 items show in our movies also. See, 1 2 and 3. So now we are going to see our database. So here you can see our database is also updated with 3 bookmarks. Okay, so this is how all you are working. When you add, it's again update. When you remove, it will again going to update. So now we are going to see how we are going to fetch this data in our bookmark page. How this is working. Get bookmark. Okay. So here you can see that in the login page, this line, dispatch get bookmarks. Basically, we have imported get bookmarks, imported from our slices bookmark slide. Okay. So here, when the user logged in, so it will immediately dispatch the get bookmark. Okay, that means it will pick the email from the local storage, and this immediately get bookmark will dispatch from the bookmark file. This will perform immediately after logged in. That means when a user logged in, here you can get the email from the local storage, and this email is going to be provided here. Okay, and it will check whether this email has a bookmark array or not. If it has bookmark, then it will fulfill this Redux, means this bookmark array with those items. See here, get bookmarks, it will get the bookmark items, and it will fulfill this bookmark with those items of which the user has bookmarked. Okay, and if no bookmark item, it will simply return the empty array. So now you can understand that basically when a user logged in, so it will immediately perform the get bookmarks, and these get bookmarks, if we see in our bookmark routes, see in the routes we can see here bookmark routes, this router bookmarks with the email, and as we see in controllers, you can see here get bookmarks fetches bookmarks for a user with the provided email. If the user is found, it returns a JSON response with the user bookmark. If the user is not found, it returns a JSON response indicating that the user with the given email was not found. If there's an error during the process, it returns a JSON response indicating an error. Okay, so this will going to be performed like this. It will find and it will. So basically what happening when the user logged in, it will immediately dispatch this get bookmark, and this get bookmark will going to fetch all the bookmark items from the database, and it will store in this bookmark array, which is our statements from the Redux part. Okay, and it starts showing in every component. Means how it is working, we have used extra reducers for get bookmarks to fulfill whatever the array, whatever the bookmark item of this user going to be fulfilled in this bookmark, and this going to be displayed, and this going to be shown in every component. Now we are going to see in every component. See, in the movies.js we have used this line, this what we have used, const bookmark is equal to use selected state.bookmark. So it will going to display whether this movie or TV series is bookmarked or not. So see, in every component, in trending if we see, same line we have used, bookmark. So every component we have used, and here you can see these items are bookmarked here. But if you see in the home page, so here also these items are showing bookmarked. Okay, when we are going to click on TV series, there is no TV series bookmark, so we can simply bookmark these items, and we can see in our database bookmark page as well. And how many items? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 items will be going to show in our database when you are adding and when you are removing. So the database keeps on updating of that particular user. So see. So here you can see that the bookmark array showing 6. Okay, 6 bookmark items will be there. Okay. So this is our home page. In trending we have used this slider. Okay, and so now we are going to log in with some other user which is already signed up. Okay, already signed up. So we are going to log out. When you click on this logout, it immediately navigate you to the login page. Right, now we are going to give the user which is already there, which is already registered. So here we have filled the details. Now we are going to click on this button. So here we have successfully logged in with the name papu23@gmail.com. Now you can see here only 2 items is showing bookmarks. So this user has bookmarked only 2 items. In the bookmark page you can see there is only 2 bookmarks, and in the database also you can see there is papu@gmail.com and array is 2. Okay, so simply fetch that email bookmarks. Okay, so now we are going to see the detail page of the movies and the TV series. So this is the movies page. So now when you click on this movie, so it will show the movies details. So here all the movie details. This is the IMDb link, and this is the website. And for TV series, you can see, you can click on TV series, it will show the details of this TV series. There is only website. Okay, now website link, and so the basically how the TV series detail page is working. Basically in the movies.js, what we have done, we have simply we have used the link here. Okay, link in every card, that at every movie card simply there is a link. When you click on that, it will simply open the movie ID. Means we are getting movie, and from there we are getting movie.id. So we have used here, so it will going to open the movie detail page. Okay, movie detail page. And same for the TV series. In the TV series, same we have used here link for the same. There we are getting ID of that TV series, and simply open the TV series detail page. So this is our bookmark page.js. In this same we have used the code as we have used in other components, and here what we have we have distributed the in two categories. Whatever we are getting the item dot category is movies, it will show in bookmark movies, and if the item dot category is TV series, then it will be in bookmark TV series. So we are simply mapped here. You can see here we are simply mapped and we are distributed into two, bookmark movies and the bookmark TV series. So the bookmark page how it looks like. See. So this is all about our web app, and one thing I want to mention that see how this search bar is working or not. So one movie I want to say, so see how this is working. Okay. And one thing I want to request is that whenever you are going to use this link, so wait for a few seconds to load this all movies and TV series. It takes little bit of time, and yeah, this is all about our web app. This is trend home page, this is movies page, and this is our TV series page, and this is our bookmark page. Now we are going to log out. This is our login page and this is our sign up, so you can easily access. Okay, thank you.